Toniann,
Yeah?
you get the year with we or not? What do you?
Bubbles, I don't know if I want to do this no more.
What?
How go on?
I just not feel it. I make too much mistake. Too much.
You realize that every day our life will make mistake? And now we have to realize it and fix it?
We just don't need to make the same mistake again.
Yeah, but I know everybody cut off for the same thing. It look like this is not my calling.
Where this all come from? And because of what happened with you and Mr. Mullins? Him tell you go pick up back your weapon. You not go pick it up?
Yeah, I'm gonna pick it up. I'm gonna do a loop on a badge and a weapon. It just not feel like me no more.
Boss, I know what go on, man. One of them time there. You start feel maternal now, though. You want to have some young Karima run up and down and settle down and everything there.
Which you could carry my run up and down. I not even if I want a man, if I want that in my life right now. I just want to focus on me.
What are them, man? Wait. You don't know if you want a man? What go on with you and Kareem?
Why would I always feel like something will go on with me and Kareem? I can't look out for myself.
Yeah, but this not look like you just a look out for yourself. Remember say you and the man live together. So all of a sudden, you want to look out for yourself. Now only if you match up all the shop and everything there, what go on?
Me, I go match up the shop. Remember say me did I run it before.
You know what you need to start learn to do? Talk your mind. Talk your full mind. Cause this piece of thing, now work.
You see the mistake me making at the agency is life-threatening. I'm not want to be responsible for that no more. That's why I just want to take time with myself.
That sounds sensible. I'ma understand. But that is not the reason why you feel like you want to give up. It's something deeper. You honestly forget who you talk to?
T, free up yourself, man. Free up yourself. Come in, where I say?
I think it's safe to say that Karima cheat on me with him ex. I'm have proof.
Proof. Solid proof?
Yeah, that's it so.
So what you do? Put surveillance on him. Go in on him phone. Can't remember you saying now do all of them things.
I could help it. I hear him and Nara talking in the room. And it sounds really personal. So I'm going to check.
If you don't mind me asking, what kind of proof you get?
When him just got on the cruise, his first stop was in Florida. I see one picture in his phone with him and her of Florida. And that was 7 months ago. I see one next picture in his phone with she, 7 months pregnant.
So, yes. I even said I
Whisper. You can be a little less.
Well, him asked her to send him some picture. And then them video call each other. Him tell her to turn sideways so he can't see the belly.
what? Yo, my God, you know. Best baby father for years.
Whisper.
What's that? What? And come after I gave me in truck.
Really?
Toniann, you approach him about it?
I don't know what I'm going to say. I never know what to say. I just want it breeze a little bit. Make it warm.
But you can't do that. You can't just see something and assume say I saw it go. You have to talk about it and say it to him. You can't just make it have it bottle up inside of you. You crazy?
What go on, you cool up, man. What do you mean you talk your mind and make Mr. Mullins know say, yeah, this you say and I did go on and Ray.
Yeah, but this different. It feel like my heart a beat out of my chest. My head a swell.
Exactly. You have to say it to him. So at this make you feel like you want to leave your work?
Well, this kinda add to it.
See, you see this? This called life. You see me? Nothing no turn farther than it. I feel no pain as all the drag and a twist.
As a brother, you're not getting no support at all.
Yeah, man, a strong support this. What me I gonna do? Sit down and make you lay down for me and ball the whole day. Stress out over what? Super blacks and young curry. Alright.
I know I should have said nothing in front of him, now.
Him have a point though, T. You can't keep this bottled up inside of you. You need to face him and say it to him.
Alright. Watch a style. Remember say a reality we are dealing with. Foul.
Where you want?
Two of them on the same side. Foul, no man. Alright, so. See that side there? Name the bun side. East or forward. What kind of bun you like? Yummy or honey bun?
Only one.
Alright, you see that? Laugh. So here, read. You need to make him.
Alright. I'm gonna make him know.